Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to our channel here at vicrez.com. Today I'm going to show you how to hydro dip some quarter window louvers using black and white spray enamel. I've already done some pre-prepping for this particular item with some light sanding and one quick coat with my black enamel. You're going to need a couple of things for this project today, including the item to hydro dip, something to clear the paint from the water when hydro dipping, and of course a container that is big enough to totally submerge the item you're hydro dipping underneath the water. You're also going to want to fill the container up with warm water. 75 to 95 degrees is ideal. You can also choose upwards of 2 to 5 colors when hydro dipping. Be advised though that anything more than 5 is going to produce a muddled appearance. So we're going to go ahead and get started now. I've already spray painted this quarter window louver black, so I'm going to start first with a white coat. Make sure you stand no more than a foot away, but don't spray directly into the water. That's going to create some air bubbles. That's going to make it hard for you to achieve a smooth surface. When spraying the enamel, I prefer to move in a circular motion to help distribute the paint over a large surface area of water. All right, now that I've created my desired look, I'm going to go ahead and with gloves on, I'm going to prepare to totally submerge my quarter window louver into the water. But be careful not to have any outside fingers showing because that's going to affect your overall effect. So very carefully, I'll disperse my fingers along the back side. And just like I said, if you're not careful, you'll end up marking the front of your window louver with some unwanted color. All right, so very carefully, I'm going to take hold of the back side and submerge. Once submerged, I'm going to lightly shake the water to guarantee that it has covered well and clear the surface. So that way I'm not pulling up my window louver into more paint. It didn't stick. I knew that was gonna happen.
Okay, so this is what...
I knew that was gonna happen.
So this, oh, it kind of looks like a cow though.
Like a cow.
So this is what not to do. This is not how to hide the drip right here.
This can go on the Instagram. Maybe not YouTube. Did I say my name was Vanessa? Because it's Vanessa.